What's going on, everybody? So the other day it was almost 50 degrees here, and now you can see today, I guess we're having a blizzard again. So I'm getting another 4 inches, probably 5 inches of snow. So not very good for riding motorized bikes, but I'm gonna show you guys what I've been working on for the new bike, and I'm gonna go out and have a little fun now that it's nice and slick. So you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. So see ya. All right. Well, if you didn't see my other videos, I'll put links in the description to this bike and unboxing video for the engine, so you guys can know what I'm talking about. So you can see, went ahead, got that nice pooch head on there, painted that nice gloss black. I did an extra layer of gloss on the tank here. Put these bumper guards on there, and I really tried to keep the chain guard on. I really like having the chain guard on there because it looked pretty nice. So I tried to lower it, and the engine was just not fitting with the chain guard on there, so I had to take that off. I'm going to leave the fender, pretty sure, but I'm going to try to reinforce it down here because they always seem to break down here, right here, and Loctite all those bolts. Now I did something a little special with the sprocket. I didn't just use both rag joint rubber pieces. Now one side is actually directly on the hub itself. So if you just leave out that one gasket there and just clamp it actually to the inside of the spokes, you get a lot more torque power. I don't know if you can see it on there. I'll try to post pictures. You can see, then you can use your old dust cap and everything. Get in there. You can see that's right up against that hub. Because everybody usually blows out these spokes. All right, well, next I'm just waiting on new wrist pin clips. I ordered some from Treatland, some 10mm moped versions, and I actually really wanted to save these grips that actually came stock because they were really nice. So I went ahead and did a little finagling on here, so you can see. Actually use the actual throttle housing. So that's going to be nice. Took a little work, but I definitely like them there. So hopefully that works out. And you can see I went ahead and dropped that seat way down. Had to cut that seat post. See that 40mm mount in the front? That Zeta sits right directly on that frame. So it actually transfers a lot more power when it's sitting down there. Pretty nice what it feels like. So I think this one's going to be fun using the 44 tooth sprocket. All right, and one thing I didn't want to forget, went out and bought another one of these. Now, if you don't know what this is, I'll put a link in the description to one of my other videos that shows this nice gasket that fits right on the exhaust on these Zetas and actually matches the exhaust port perfectly. So keep an eye out for that. All right, now this one is going to be for sale, so keep your eye out for that. Now, while I'm doing updates, I know you can see this chilling in the back of some of the videos. So I went ahead and got chrome cables, nice club-in handlebars there, did that custom paint on a lot of their things, nice rims, got these tires in. Picking out an engine for this, thinking a Frankenstein maybe, I don't know, either that or a Dio Reed. Really depends. In fact, tell me in the comments below kind of what you want me to put on this bad boy. I think this one's going to be a nice little show bike for the summer. So, all right, I'm going to go outside and have some fun.
One shot, two shots, I'm drunk, who's not? I just want to make you feel alive. One drink, two drinks, bottoms up, don't think. I just want to lose myself tonight. And I know I'ma regret it in the morning. I just don't care now. I just wanna keep it going till the morning, or at least until toast to the night we wish would last forever. But past midnight, can't see straight. Yeah, my vision's blurred, my words are slurred and thoughts delayed. Let's raise a toast to a night that we won't even remember. One shot, two shots, I'm drunk, who's not? I just wanna make you feel alive. One drink, two drinks, bottoms up, don't think. I just wanna lose myself tonight. And I know I'ma regret it in the morning. I just don't care now. I just wanna keep it going till the morning, or at least until I'm faced down, blacked out.